Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix status access violation error in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on it, maximize it. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on privacy and security. Scroll down and you will find delete browsing data. Here switch to the advanced, change the time range to all time, and make sure that all of the default options are selected. Now once done, click on delete data. And still in the options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Now make sure continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. That is turned off. Use graphics acceleration when available. Enable that. Click on relaunch. Then here, you will find reset settings. Click on that. Click on restore settings to original defaults. Do not worry if you're going to take this action because this will not affect your bookmarks history and saved passwords. Click on reset settings. Then click on extensions, still in the options on the left pane. Make sure that you have extensions on your Google Chrome. You can disable that if that is unnecessary or you are not using that, or you can completely remove that if you're just not using that kind of extension. Then click on About Chrome and make sure that your Chrome is updated. Once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update the Chrome browser for you. Now in my case, I have a pending restart. That's why I'm facing this issue. But in your case, once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. Now once done, close this. If the issue persists, then you can uninstall the Chrome browser. Type appwiz.cpl. Click on that. Look for Google Chrome. Right-click, select uninstall, and how you can reinstall that, simply open the Microsoft Edge browser. Click on that under the best match. In here, simply type Chrome download. Hit enter. Click on the first option from www.google.com and simply click this button right here to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows. You can also use any other browser on your Windows like the Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave browser, or any other browsers that you have on your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.